Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel which is Explore Yourselves, Banking and General Knowledge, etc. Today I'm going to describe about Bank of India Star Loan for FCNRB Super Yield, unlocking the power of leverage for NRI investors. Introduction. In today's global financial environment, non-resident Indians, NRIs and high net worth individuals, HNIs are constantly searching for investment opportunities that offer security, flexibility, and potential for enhanced returns. Foreign currency non-resident bank or FCNRB deposits have long been one of the preferred investment options for NRIs because they provide attractive returns in foreign currency while protecting investors from exchange rate fluctuations on maturity. To make these deposits even more rewarding, Bank of India offers the Star Loan for FCNR Super Yield, an innovative financing solution that enables eligible customers to leverage their FCNRB deposits and potentially maximize their overall earning potential. Rather than allowing the deposit to remain idle until maturity, this facility gives customers the opportunity to obtain a loan against their FCNRB deposit. The borrowed funds can then be utilized for eligible purposes while the original deposit continues earning interest through its tenure. This concept of financial leverage allows investors to make better use of their existing assets without prematurely breaking their deposits. Understanding the Star Loan for FCNR Super Yield. The Star Loan for FCNR Super Yield is a loan facility specially designed for customers holding eligible FCNRB deposits with Bank of India. Instead of liquidating the deposit funds when funds are required, customers may obtain finance against the deposit while allowing it to continue earning interest until maturity. This product combines the stability of a foreign currency deposit with the flexibility of a secured loan, helping customers manage liquidity requirements without disturbing their long-term investment plans. It is especially beneficial for customers who wish to maintain their investment while simultaneously meeting financial commitments. The concept of financial leverage. One of the most attractive aspects of this product is the concept of financial leverage. Leverage means utilizing an existing financial asset to obtain additional funds instead of withdrawing or prematurely closing an investment. Customers borrow against it. Their investment continues generating returns while the borrowed amount can be deployed for eligible financial requirements. When used prudently, leverage may enhance the overall effectiveness of financial planning by allowing customers to continue earning on their deposits while accessing liquidity whenever needed. Loan amount. One of the major highlights of the Star Loan for FCNR Super Yield is its generous loan eligibility. Eligible customers can avail a loan of up to 9 times the value of their FCNR deposit, subject to the bank's applicable terms, conditions, and eligibility criteria. This high leverage ratio enables customers to access substantial funds without disturbing their foreign currency investment. The availability of a higher loan amount provides greater financial flexibility for eligible investors, allowing them to plan their finances more efficiently. Loan tenure. The repayment period is designed to complement the investment. The loan tenure may extend up to 5 years, provided it remains co-terminus with the tenure of the FCNRB deposit. This means the loan generally concludes along with the maturity of the deposit, creating better alignment between the investment and the borrowing arrangement. Since synchronization simplifies financial planning while helping customers retain the benefits of the deposit during the investment period. Leverage facility. The Star loan provides customers with a significant leverage opportunity. Since the borrowing capacity can extend up to 9 times the FCNRB deposit amount, investors gain the ability to utilize additional capital without sacrificing the growth of their existing investment. This feature is particularly attractive for customers who wish to pursue investment opportunities, manage business requirements, or address financial commitments while continuing to enjoy the benefits of their FCNRB deposit. Potential returns. One of the promotional highlights of this offering is the possibility of achieving returns of up to 16.39%, subject to applicable interest rates, prevailing market conditions, loan utilization, deposit rates, and other applicable terms and conditions. It is important to understand that this figure is illustrative and actual returns may differ depending on various factors such as booking rate, deposit tenure, applicable interest rates, compounding frequency, loan interest, market conditions, product terms and conditions. Customers should carefully evaluate the financial implications before making investment decisions. Who can benefit? The STAR loan for FCNR Super Yield is particularly suitable for non-resident Indians, NRIs, high net worth individuals, HNIs, customers seeking liquidity without disturbing investments, investors wishing to maximize capital efficiency, individuals looking for flexible financial planning, customers preferring secured borrowing against deposits. The facility allows investors to maintain their long-term investment discipline while simultaneously accessing funds whenever required. Advantages of continuing the FCNRB deposit. One of the biggest advantages of this product is that the FCNRB deposit continues earning interest during the loan period. Instead of breaking the deposit prematurely, we may result in reduced returns or other implications. The investment remains active until maturity. This enables customers to preserve the intended investment horizon while also benefiting from the loan facility. Safety and security. Bank of India emphasizes the STAR loan for FCNR Super Yield is designed around secure banking practices. Some notable features include safe and secure banking framework, a rewarding investment opportunity, loan backed by FCNRB deposits, continued earning potential on deposits, transparent banking relationship, professional customer assistance being linked to an existing deposit provides an additional level of comfort for eligible customers. Fully repatriable principal and interest. Major attraction of FCNRB deposits is that both the principal and interest are fully repatriable, subject to applicable laws and regulatory guidelines. This feature provides flexibility for NRIs who may eventually wish to transfer funds abroad after the deposit matures. Such repatriability makes FCNRB deposits a preferred investment avenue for many overseas Indians. Protection from exchange rate risk on maturity. The promotional material also highlights another important benefit. Since FCNRB deposits are maintained in designated foreign currencies, customers generally do not face exchange rate conversion risk at maturity on the deposit amount, subject to applicable product features and regulatory provisions. This helps investors preserve the value of their foreign currency investment until maturity. Personalized banking support. Bank of India offers personalized assistance through its experienced NRI banking professionals. Customers may receive guidance regarding FCNRB deposits, loan eligibility, documentation requirements, investment planning, product features, banking services for NRIs. Professional assistance helps customers understand the product more thoroughly before making financial decisions. Illustrative return calculations. Promotional illustration presented by the bank is based on a maturity calculator. Customers should understand that these illustrations are intended only to demonstrate possible outcomes under assumed scenarios. Actual financial outcomes may vary because of several factors, including deposit timing, interest rates, loan utilization, tenure, compounding cycle, and applicable banking policies. Therefore, investors should view these figures as examples rather than guaranteed earnings. How to apply. Interested eligible customers may contact their nearest Bank of India branch for detailed information regarding Star Loan for FCNR Super Yield. Banking officials can provide detailed guidance regarding eligibility documentation, applicable charges, interest rates, processing requirements, and other product related information. Why this product stands out? The Star Loan for FCNI Super Yield combines several important financial advantages into one integrated solution. Instead of forcing investors to choose between maintaining the deposits or accessing liquidity, the product attempts to deliver both benefits simultaneously. Its high loan eligibility, flexible tenure, continued earning on deposits, fully repatriable principal and interest, personalized banking support, and protection associated with FCNRB deposits make it an attractive option for eligible NRI customers seeking efficient financial planning. When used responsibly and after understanding all applicable terms and conditions, the leverage facility can become a useful component of broader wealth management strategy. Conclusion. The Bank of India Star Loan for FCNR Super Yield represents an innovative approach to combining investment and borrowing. by allowing eligible customers to obtain finance against their FCNRB deposits while the deposits continue earning interest. The product aims to enhance financial flexibility without disrupting long-term investment objectives. Features such as loan availability up to 9 times the deposit amount, tenure of up to 5 years, co-terminus with the deposit, fully repatriable principal and interest, personalized NRI banking support, and the potential for enhanced returns make this offering appealing for eligible NRIs and HNIs. Customers are encouraged to carefully evaluate their financial goals, understand the applicable terms and conditions, and consult Bank of India representatives before making any investment or borrowing decision. Disclaimer: this article is intended solely for general educational and information purposes based on the publicly available information on the official Bank of India website. It should not be considered financial investment, legal, tax, or banking advice. Product features, loan eligibility, interest rates, leverage ratios, deposit rates, repayment terms, regulatory guidelines, and other conditions are subject to change at the discretion of Bank of India and applicable regulatory authorities. The mentioned return of up to 16.39% is illustrative and subject to applicable interest rates, deposit dates, compounding cycles, loan utilization, and terms and conditions. Actual returns may vary. Prospective customers should verify the latest product details with Bank of India and carefully read all applicable terms and conditions before investing or availing any loan facility. Thank you very much for your patience. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.